Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors at Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1971 Chevelle. This car here does have a 454 big block in it. I think he said it was a 72 through 90 date code motor. Got a pretty good look. Different colors on it. I'm liking it. I like the green theme. What we like to do up here is drive down the road, point out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're getting when you get here. When I get back from the test drive, we'll be doing an outside interior walk, and we'll also give you some undercarriage shots. Check out maplemotors.com for a full list of inventory. We update that once a week, every Monday. You can also get shipping and financing information at maplemotors.com as well. So definitely check that out. We got a wheels section, a parts section, and all of our cars. A brief description on each one. All right, guys, let's go ahead and shut this hood down. Comes down nice and easy. And it's that time. Let's go for a ride. Gonna take a look around the interior before we take off here. If you want to go ahead and vote up in the top right corner there, you can click on the list of videos and polls. We'll be doing a vote on if the horn works or not. The interior looks nice and clean in this one. Everything's green. Go ahead and start it up here. Starts up nice and easy. You can tell they put new gauges in here, so that's why I can't stand behind any of the mileage on these old cars, especially from 70s. But look at this, it's like a brand new gauge back there with 23 miles on it. So just think of that, another month or so, I'd have a couple thousand on it, and somebody out there in the world will probably be saying, oh, that's original miles. All right, here we go. Windshield wipers working good. Try the radio. It looks like it's one of them new upgraded ones that they probably didn't hook up. Newer digital one, it's not hooked up. And blower motor on the, no AC on this car, but I can hear a blower motor kicking on. Didn't feel anything coming out. All right, let's try the horn. No spring. Horn doesn't work. All right, guys. Let's take off. Getting ready to take off down the road here. I'm gonna put my seatbelt on. This thing's got a, sounds like a small cam in it. Decent sounding exhaust. Need the spring for the ashtray. Doesn't feel like the shifter linkage is in the exact spot. That's for third. We'll leave it in there. Anything that I see that this car may need, you will know about. They got a new dash cluster, but they didn't hook up the clock. The temperature gauge is not reading correct. The gas gauge is not hooked up either. I don't believe the amp gauge is hooked up. It's like they put all that stuff in there without hooking it up. We do got oil pressure down here. It's reading 60 pounds right now. Speedo's not coming up either. The new gauges that they got in there, they were working at some point, but they're not working at all now, so none of the gauges work. The car seems to be going smooth down the road. Steering's nice and tight as well. Got like an oversized mirror up here. Motor feels nice and strong. It's real smooth. Kickdown's not hooked up on this one. So you're going straight down the road. They got the steering wheel straight. Try my brakes before we get too far here. Brakes pull to the left. They're stopping fast, but they're pulling to the left. Work that out through the test drive here. Flick my turn signals on. The lights aren't popping up on the dash for them on either side. I don't hear any clicking, so I don't know if the turn signals are working either. Not without getting out and checking it out. Running and driving wise, this car feels great. Needs a lot of little cosmetic stuff, some of the electrical hooked up on the dash, all of it. See them brakes. I said if I let go of the steering wheel, you see it pull, it actually turned me in the parking lot. You're just grabbing a little bit on the left. Suspension wise, it feels good. It's hitting all the bumps nice and smooth. I'm not getting beat to death by the road. Get ready to get some outside shots on this. I can show you what I use. You can go right down below in the description. Tellison poles, solid metal. I've been using it for a while now. You can see it's in all my videos. Scopes out, and I'm just going to drop it outside the car and get all the shots. You put that on there and it sticks. So. Alright guys, I'm going to finish this test drive video up. Probably shouldn't do this, but I broke my mount. I got one of these little mounts too. I've got 5 or 6 of them back at the lot. But I'm just going to hold y'all right here and we're going to take off down the road. Hopefully everything's good to go here. I did notice on this linkage, you can put it in third. You got to pull it back to second to put it in third. The linkage needs to be adjusted up in here. But it does go into gear every single time, so it's not an issue there. I've seen those little helmet attachments where you can just kind of strap the GoPro to your head and kind of give you a virtual tour like you're looking around in the car and stuff. I've got a few of those. I thought about bringing those and just adding that to the videos. If you think that's a good idea, leave it in the comments and I will. I'm still going to put y'all on the window over there though. Get you a really good view of the car. All right, here we go. Nice and smooth. A good cruiser car. It's still got the big block so you can have your horsepower when you need it. There's a big old bump in this road up here on the right. We're gonna hit it. This car's so smooth though, probably won't feel it. Like I said, nothing's blinking on the dash when I hit my turn signals. I don't hear anything clicking, so we have a spreadsheet that we could fill out at the lot, going over everything on the outside, turn signal, headlight wise. The bump of the road's right here. Nice and smooth. And a little bit of squeaking coming from something. and the brakes are still pulling to the left. They are drums, so probably picking up some dust. Need to be warmed up and driven. All right, here we go. Pulling into the lot now. Guys, I do appreciate you watching. If you have any other questions, definitely jump on maplemotors.com. Get you finance options. I can ship this car all over the US. There's a brief description on each car on there and detailed photos. Definitely watch the walk around video. I did it right in the middle of the test drive. You can wait till the last 30 seconds of this video and easily access it. Any car on my lot, all you have to do is type in the year, the model, and Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar. You can get any of these videos. Hit that subscribe button. I post stuff every single day. And thanks for watching, guys. Y'all have a good one.